Here is the sign for place. Okay, we're going to use the same hand shapes for both hands. They're going to be the letters P, like in the alphabet, P, Q, R. All right, so how do we make a P? Well, start with your hand like this. Get rid of your pinky, your ring finger. So the index finger and the middle finger are spread apart. Take your thumb, stick them in between, and press against the middle finger. All right? Now you might be thinking, this is already a sign. And it is. It's the letter K. All right? So this is the letter K. But when we make a P, we're just taking a K and we flip it down. All right? So P. Let's make the K again and we'll flip it down into a P. Like this. Down. Thumb in the middle, pressing against that middle finger. Now flip it down. So there is a P. Nice. P. Okay, so we need it with both hands. Flip them down. Now we're going to point them towards each other. So we're going to use the tips of the middle fingers. We're going to come together once and then do a circle, come together again. Okay, so place. Place. All right, let's make the K, drop it down. Now that's a P. If you really want, you could just say take those Ks and put them together. Middle fingers touching. Bring them together. So make a circle. Place. Place. From the side. Place. From the other side. Place. From the front again, slowly. Place. Okay, so sign with me. Sign with me. Starting from the rest position, let's sign it 3 times. Place. 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 Okay, so we're going to be making the letters P, or you could just say K. That's fine too. Go like this. Thumb in between. Pressing against the middle finger. That's the K. If you want to say it's a P, because P, P for place. So take those P's. Put them like this. We're going to touch the middle fingers, the tips of the middle fingers. Bring them out, make a circle. Now touch the middle fingers again. Place. Okay, good. We just talked about how to sign place.